this thing up out of my mind. I don't know why I do the things I do, but guess what? It just seems like it comes true. But that's just the way that my game in my life just seems to go, my friends. So again and again and again we will play this little ass game called life, okay? Sit down, I rip and I speak this shit true. Who I am, and I'm not changing that for any of you, and you cannot take that away. And that is mine, oh mine, okay? Out of this brain I play it, man. You know I'm a kind of escapist. When I come out and I hit this tack up, man, I ain't no one of the pianist, but I can play the little bit. Man, with the fiddle and I got the guitar and track. With the drum, the drum, what did I mean? My band, call me the one-man band. Sitting here with this little ass thing in my hand. Pressing, I'm laughing, and I know that I will go to the top when I get hit on this trip. I won't stop. Stop me, but never will come happen when I get up on this mic, bitch. I come out snapping, prep and I attack, and I will lift and I will make it mine, and ain't no one gonna stop this kid when I'm on my grind. Spit, shine, rip and rhyme, come and go, flow with this little kid up on the mic. What you really wanna come against a short wig? Call me Kid Dynamite. Blow up in your hand, what's gonna damn? What you gonna come do? What you got a bonus with? They already called me free. So I sit your ass down for one. If you really want to come with the program, let's have a little fun, alright, motherfucker? You don't really know and hold on to the little plan that I got in my head, do you? Or you really want to come do the things that I do? You don't really want to, but no, I know I will come and I'll play these games of life. They're all mine today. So come and I'll test and test with the best in the ring. Or see me on the mic or any place up in the street. Who the hell I am ain't gonna be nothing but change for the progression and the future of my manhood, and all my fucking brain is gonna ring some today, but not some Mexican, I'm loopy IE. So back with the loop pod, I can rip and rhyme with the little misfit. Come and disc it with that little basket that I'll smack in your face bitches, cause I filled it with rocks and don't give a float. So go when I beat it over you, call me Billy, alright. Oh no, I just cannot say this for me. Saving this last dance for you and me. So come stand up, let's have a ball. Spin around and around and around till we fall down and out. No, it ain't gonna be me. You cannot stop this kid movie I need. So come one more time, not the mind that will come. Play for peace. I know you, and things can all be sunshine and roses and smiles, you know, cause that dark gray cloud is over my soul. But fuck it, might as well piss them off too, ho ho.